All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master. Today we're talking about the most important thing a new technician needs to do. So, what is the most important thing a new technician needs to do when they get into a shop? Now, I'm going to tell a little story. If you're a longtime subscriber of my channel, you might remember Shawn. Longtime subscribers might remember Shawn. He was our, junior technician in the shop, and he moved on. Well, what he moved on to was a nonprofit training center for inner city kids to learn a trade. He and Larry, the director and he's the lead instructor, teach inner city kids, underprivileged kids, kids coming out of bad situations, automotive repair. The basics of it, they're not doing advanced diagnostics, but they teach them the basics of auto repair, doing oil changes, doing brakes, doing tires, battery tests, all that stuff that a young technician goes in and needs to know how to do. And several of their guys have gotten hired at Honda dealerships, express oil changes. They're going, to work in a meaningful trade as a career. Now, one of the last things they do before they graduate from the program is they come here to the shop. And I do a mini training session, mini prepping them for the real world. And one of the most important things I stress to them, and I'm going to stress it to you guys and gals. Most important thing when you're a starting technician, and really it goes for every technician, but very important for a young technician getting into this business. You're showing up on your first day of work, what should you do? Number one most important thing you should do is be on time. I know it sounds incredibly simple, but you have no idea how just 15 minutes of you being late or you getting to work at startup time, but you've got to change clothes, you got to open your toolbox, you got to piddle on your phone, you got to go to the bathroom. 15 minutes can throw off a huge amount of the schedule. Let's say, you're starting technician, you're that young kid, you're doing the waiter oil changes. You got the first customer of the day going to your bay. Well, and they probably have you scheduled to do, a car every half hour, 45 minutes, whatever their particular shop operates. But let's just say that 15 minutes. Well, then that car gets delayed, the customer's inconvenienced, and then all of a sudden, you're stacking up. And believe me, when you stack up, you get further and further behind. A great analogy is, and because I'm in Atlanta and I have to deal with traffic, some idiot up front decides he's going over 4 lanes and cuts everybody off, and all of a sudden, traffic comes to a stop. That's what's happening. That's what's going to happen to the shop schedule. Well, you do that enough times, the boss is going to go, dude, he's not worth it. Get him out of here. Get somebody else. He can't show up on time. I'm done. So, biggest thing I can't stress is enough, and I stress it to those guys as well. Show up 15 minutes early so you have time to change, get your toolbox open, get, dressed, get your cup of coffee, get your, Mountain Dew, whatever you drink, get ready to work, and you should be ready to go when the doors open. So whatever time that is, you should be ready to roll. When they bring out that waiter key, you should be going, okay, let's go. Again, I know it sounds simple, but on the shop management end of it, you'd be surprised how much just one guy, that junior guy coming in late, can screw up your entire schedule. It is amazing. I mean, it is ridiculous how much that can affect things. And not to mention piss off your coworkers, because chances are they're going to wind up having to grab some of those waders or those oil changes that you were supposed to get because you're backed up. So show up on time, show up early, be ready to work when you're supposed to be ready to work. So hope you liked this video. I know it was very preachy, and I understand, but it's an important message. So hope you liked it. Comments, let me know in the comments what you think. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.